Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you're looking for a side hustle and you love pets, this video is for you. Today I'm going to tell you about 4 websites where you can find work: dog sitting, dog walking, cat sitting, or dog boarding. So let's get right into it. The first company we're looking at is WAG. And working with WAG, you can become a dog sitter, a cat sitter, or a dog boarder with WAG. Now, you have a choice up here. Let's bring your attention to the top right hand side of the screen. Become a dog walker or a dog sitter. So what you'll do is enter your name, your email address, your phone number, agree to the terms of service to get started. A little bit about WAG. Why WAG? Because every pet caregiver on WAG must pass an extensive background check. So no matter who you choose, you're always getting the pick of the litter. Peace of mind. They offer GPS tracking, lock boxes, and live chat with your pet givers are just some of the pawsome features to give you peace of mind during your pet service. You support 7 days a week as a part of our commitment to safety. WAG's customer service is available 7 days a week and is easily accessible through the WAG app. Love pets, get paid for it. Let your passion for pets become your job. Dogs, cats, and pets of all shapes and sizes need trusted overnight care. Connecting pet sitters with a nationwide community of pet parents who have overnight sitting and boarding needs is what we do best. Build your pet sitting or dog boarding business and become your own boss on WAG. The second website we're looking at is Rover, and you get paid to play with pets. So, Rover makes it easy and promotes you to the nation's largest network of pet owners. Earn money while doing something you love. You click here to get started. Let's scroll down. Flexibility. You set your own schedule, offer any combination of pet care services, set size, age, and other pet preferences that work for you. Let's look at the process. How it works. What you'll do is create your profile, accept requests, and get paid. So the services that are offered: boarding, dog walking, doggy daycare, house sitting, and drop-in visits. And pretty much that's Rover, and you click here to start creating your profile. The third website we're looking at is care.com. And they offer pet care. So what you'll do is come here and click pet care, find a job. Where do you want to work? I've already entered my zip code. There are 135 families seeking care near you. Then you'll click next and you'll follow the prompts, enter your information, and then join now. That's pretty simple and straightforward. And the fourth website we're looking at is Pet Backer. And it's pretty straightforward. Pet Backer is available in 50 countries, and they offer pet boarding, house sitting, dog walking, pet daycare, pet grooming, and pet taxi. They are expat friendly. So if you're moving outside of the United States, you can always find work on Pet Backer. Now, how do you sign up? You'll go right up here, click sign up to log in. It'll bring you to this page. It's prompting you to download the app, or you can sign up online. But if you choose the app, you'll have to go through the process, or you can sign up here. And that is Pet Backer.